Okay, well, I'm going to show you how not to wash a motorcycle. But I have no choice. I live in an apartment complex, and really have no choice but to use the car wash. And spray some of this bug stuff on there. Already did some, but it might not be enough. Gotta get these bugs off there. Yeah, gotta get the bugs off there. But this is really not the way to wash your bike, because one time back in the 80s, I was washing my bike at a car wash like this, and it caught on fire. Had to put a new rectifier in, so you got to be careful where you spray when you're at a car wash, for sure. But I'm going to start on the back with it. But it needs to be washed. Soap. Soap. Off. Basically washing it with water. Oh, see, there we go. Now a little bit there. Yeah, it's soaking up a little bit. More of that bug and tar stuff. I don't think I should really. Really dirty. But I live in an apartment complex, and there's no other way around it. Yeah. At least I got the bugs off. Spot-free rinse. Ain't got much. Low pressure. Absolutely do not. But I do not have a hose at the apartment complex. I can't wash the bike there. This is the best I can do. Sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. Well, it looks like there's still bugs down on that wheel. Let's see. Needed some degreaser. Get that blowout. Doesn't come off so well. Well, down to the last minute. Well, it looks better than what it did. And get out the towel, dry it off a little bit, take it out in the sun, dry it out some more. Let's see. And let's see. Of course, you know, you got an older bike, you can do things a little bit differently. As I don't know what this is on the back here. I have to use some stuff to get that off. Dry it off enough to take it out here to finish drying it. Let's see. Yeah, go get my stuff. But we're getting her done. Getting her done. Whew. And let's get her dry. Yeah. Can't get up under there. Yeah, I'll spot a little bit. You know, it's not a show bike, it's my bike. Still got bugs on here though. Still got some mud on there. Need to do them wheels, but this ain't a detail thing. It's just to get some of the grime, some of the mud, some of the oil, a lot of the bugs. Make it a little bit more fun. Yeah, I didn't spray back here enough. Got a lot of. But that's the reason the towel's here. Wipe off. You know. Think about. Remember when I was in Germany, this guy. He kept his Super Glide super clean. Looked at my Sportster and says, "Why don't you wash that thing?" I says, "It's just going to rain later today." He goes, "You ride it in the rain?" I said, "It's the only thing I got to ride." If I want to get anywhere at the time, when you're young, early 20s, all you need is a motorcycle. Even though that following winter I did buy a little Renault to ride in the snow. I can't get down in there to get that moisture out from inside there. Get those spots off. This just ain't the way that you are supposed to wash a bike. I don't know. Let's see here. Anyways, if you like this video, hit like. Don't forget to share. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. Ooh, back at you. Anyways, oh hippie biker. We'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye. How do you turn this thing off? How do you turn this thing off?